Well, I finally crashed my Eachine 180 direct drive helicopter. So how strong was it? Because you're going to see it hit hard. Now this is a neat helicopter, but it does not have any automatic inverted hover switch that many helicopters now have. I learned before helis had tail gyros, and so I wouldn't buy one with that setup now. I fly by what I learned, and I don't need any gadgets to help me fly and try to look good. There's a sense of pride, though, between us old school pilots that we have when we remember back about learning and how many crashes you had to do just to learn to hover. Upright. So when I crashed, I had this flashback of the beginnings. Well, that said, this heli does have a 6G and a 3G gyro switch. That means when in 6G, it will do all kinds of flying, but it will not allow you to roll or pitch any more than about 15 degrees. Note, there's no GPS, so it's going to fly away. In fact, the curve is a little weak in the heavy wind that I fly in, and it's not able to fly forward in a breezy day. But backwards in 6G, it will head in the opposite direction really fast along with the wind. So I fly mine all the time with the gyros turned off. That way I can flip it inverted, etc. But small, tiny, and fast, this thing can get your attention in a real hurry, as you're going to see on the speed of the radar gun. 49 is 2. Oh, good. Yeah, that's
recall button.
All right, good. So right now I'm just messing around, getting used to seeing the tiny heli outside. Smaller helis are harder to fly than my big, heavy, stable nitro ones, but this one's pretty stable, albeit it can get small in a hurry. So enjoy, see it crash, see the results, and see if it can still fly. Say the landing gear breaks easy on these, but I don't see anything else broke because it doesn't have any gears. Oh man, I'd like to try it again. Okay, the only thing it looks like it broke was the landing gear here, so let's see what happens if I broke anything else. Man, this thing sure gets small in a hurry, hard to see.
A little bit of a bent landing gear, but
Well, as most of you know, I'm a stick pincher, and the pros who taught me to fly heli said no matter how hard it feels to learn to do that, you got to do that. Well, with this heli, trying to do this little pitch-sensitive machine
It's
inverted
so
and close to
touchy.
the ground would be a real challenge with just my thumb, as I'm controlling throttle, yaw, and pitch all on that left stick, and I'm only moving that stick just a fraction of an inch to hold it there, even though I programmed a big S-curve into the pitch program. I cannot afford to drop the stick, as they say, so I'm a pincher.
right out of power. So there you go, a little wacko, everything's still flying fine.
Do I like it? I love it. I really do. $100 cheaper than OMP? What do you think?
First time I ever crashed anything, I didn't break a gear. But I'm gonna make my own landing gear.
Thanks a lot for watching, folks. Please subscribe. God bless and have a nice day.